So there are many students and parents who ask me whether to go in commerce or science. Okay, that's a usual question that any parent of 8, 9, 10th students face. So my general answer to these parents is, see, science is something which the child is doing from the first standard, or rather from the lower levels. So the concept of science is very clear right from the beginning till 10. But most of the kids are not even aware of what commerce is all about. What are the subjects, what are they going to face. So I suggest to all the parents that, before you make a decision whether, your child should go to commerce or science, you should meet a mentor. Like in Ardent, I am the person, who guides a lot of parents. There are a lot of parents who meet me before actually the child makes a decision of what to choose. Because commerce has a lot of opportunities. A lot of courses like CA, CS, ICWA, which is now called CMA, which are typical courses, with professional courses which students do. Other than this, there are a lot of new opportunities which have come up, like Bachelor's in Business Administration. This is a new course which is provided by IIM Indore, INM, Symbiosis, etc. These colleges have their own tests for which you need to start the preparation right from 11th standard. So if you do 2 years preparation along with your commerce 11th and 12th, you can crack this exam and get into good college, and that builds a really good career for you. There are two different courses in BBA. One is the basic course, which is only a 3-year course, which makes you a graduate in BBA. And there is another course which is called as an integrated course, wherein you start as an undergrad, but you come out as an MBA. That gives you great placements. Apart from these, what students can do is, there is law. You can choose law, become a lawyer. Even after becoming lawyer, you can be a practicing lawyer, or you can go into corporates. There is also something which you can choose, which is BAF. There are other degree courses like BAF, BMS, BCom. Okay, if your child is not matured enough to decide till 12th what he really needs to do, he can just take up a good graduation course and then build his profile in taking practical experience after graduation, and then go for MBA after preparation of CAT. That is also one offering. So apart from these stereotype courses, students can also go for exams like NIFT and NID, which are professional courses in designing. So that can take your career into a creative line. Also, there is one more course which takes you to media, which is Bachelor's in Mass Media, Mass Com. You can do that. That is also an option. So you can also test your creative side. Apart from this, there are certain professional courses which open doors internationally, like a CPA. CPA is Certified Public Accountant, which is a counterpart of CA in US. So just like CA in India, you can have a CA in US, which is called as CPA. Earlier, these exams were only conducted in US. You are not able to give these exams in India. But now, these exams can be given in India. Other than that, we have ACCA, which is a counterpart of CA in UK. We also have courses, very good courses called as CMA. CMA US, Certified Management Accountant, United States. Apart from this, there is CFA, Certified Financial Analyst. All these courses open doors for international placements. So there are huge sea of opportunities in commerce, and what I would suggest is, as I said in the earlier part of this video, that you need a great mentor to tell you what the child needs to start with. And you can definitely take help of Ardent. We have good counselors and mentors who can help you guide one-to-one in choosing which course you need to pick up. So reach out to us at Ardent Tutorials to take that first right step in choosing a great career for your child. We have a band of mentors who can help you handhold your child to make that correct decision, whether it is commerce or science.